Today we're taking care of the backyard with this extremely portable leaf blower. 2 nozzles, 2 batteries. It's pretty incredible. Let's get started. So let's open it up. This is one plus I can tell you right now I like. The batteries, plastic containers. It has a battery sensor and they came fully charged. Charger's pretty simple and I like that. Plug here, you run that adapter into the wall, fire it up. A lot of the other products that I have, the sled arrangement where you slide it in, they're big, they're clunky, so the portableness plus it's not special. For some reason, it doesn't work anymore. You can easily replace it with a class 2 power supply. Look at that, it even comes with hearing protection. This is the unit itself. Look at this thing, compact. It reminds me of Thor's hammer. Brushless, see right in there. It has lights on the side, a light panel, and a trigger switch, graduated. In other words, max power, and then you can have a whole series of different levels of power depending on how much you push the button. It comes with 2 nozzles. These go on here pretty easy. You just twist them, and that's it. That's your whole blower. It'd be nice if you combine these two, but that's not a deal breaker. I mean, that's so portable. 21 volts. Not bad, not bad at all. Let's try putting it in a backpack. So this goes in here. We'll put it down this way. Again, a big plus. That will protect your batteries. I mean, look at this. I mean, that's just absolutely crazy. Portable to the max. 2 of the starter evaluations I like to do is gather data on how loud these are. We have 2 nozzles. I don't think the loudness is going to be impacted. And then we're going to get what the airspeed is coming out of the nozzle. And we'll do that twice. I blew out an anemometer on my corded Toro that goes 120 miles an hour. So this is a 100-mile-an-hour anemometer. It's an upgrade. So we'll see how it does with the air coming out. When I'm not talking, it's about 30 dB. So we'll turn it on and see what we got. Whoa. Now that I have earplugs in, we'll try the airspeed with the big nozzle. The max speed was 76 miles an hour. Now we'll try it again with the shorter conical funnel style nozzle. I'm anticipating a faster speed. $82 miles an hour. I like how you can hold it to your side. The balance is right on the trigger. Counteracting the battery with this pipe really makes this comfortable to use, and you can just swap it back and forth from hand to hand. Real simple. The switch, as opposed to 1 or 2 or 3 settings, this gives you a full range of blowing so that you can do full power when you need and maybe a little less to save on the battery. I prefer the bigger nozzle. Even though the speed is a little less miles per hour, the volume of air is bigger and allows you to manage the blowing better. It's got a little pushback, which is cool. There's a light. I'm not sure what that does. I did this part of the yard all on 1 battery. But as you can see, the job's not done. So I'm glad they provide 2 batteries. So what do I think of this OGERY leaf blower? It's powerful. Better than any battery operated leaf blower I've tested to date. Originally, I thought the batteries weren't good enough, but you get 2 batteries, and that's the key. You start out with 2, and you can get about this far, probably 1/8 of an acre that I've blown with this. And the great thing is, you start out with 2, fully charged. Then you burn through both of them. After you burn through the first one, you charge it. Unlike a lot of other battery operated gear that I have, it takes 20 minutes to charge this battery. And these batteries go for about 20 minutes. That means as long as you're cycling back and forth, as soon as one runs out, you go and charge it and put a new one in, you're gonna be able to do as much lawn as you have. The other great thing about this over other blowers is that you could use it to clean your car in the snow. You can get into confined spaces that you can't get with any other blower. I'm amazed there's not more of these out there. It's a great blower to have around the house, cleaning decks, porches, stairs, you name it, it's gonna do the job for you. $60. Check below for a 5% discount on Amazon and a 15% discount if you go to the website. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of tech reviews, making and breaking things, designs for your home, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what balanced piece of gear you're gonna see.